Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics. Make sure your phone OS and Snapchat app are up to date. Once done, enable location services and turn on precise location so Snapchat can read your position accurately. Open Snapchat, tap your profile avatar, then the gear icon to open settings. From settings, go to See My Location. This is the control center for live location. You need these permissions first because Snapchat cannot fix or broadcast location without system-level access. Next, force close Snapchat and clear the app cache to remove stale data that can misreport your position. Once you reopen the app, re-grant location permissions when the prompt appears. Choose Allow while using app or Always depending on your preference. Then go back to Snap Map and turn off ghost mode if you want to share. Alternatively, pick Select Friends to share with. Reauthorizing resets the app's permission handshake with the OS, which often corrects frozen or incorrect live location behavior. Finally, restart your phone to ensure all location services reset cleanly. You'll want to confirm GPS accuracy in another map app first to isolate the problem. Once confirmed, open Snap Map and tap and hold or pinch to refresh so Snapchat takes a fresh reading. If your live location remains incorrect, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat to force a clean app state. Also check for VPNs or location spoofing apps. Those are common culprits. Disable them, then recheck because they can mask or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.